Are bats warm-blooded animals? Bats are endothermic mammals that maintain a constant body temperature, but they exhibit heterothermy during hibernation to conserve energy. By allowing their body temperature to drop to near ambient levels, they significantly reduce their metabolic rate during periods of food scarcity. Which type of blood cell is also known as a thrombocyte? Thrombocytes, commonly known as blood platelets, are cell fragments essential for blood clotting and preventing excessive bleeding. They are produced from megakaryocytes in the bone marrow and lack a nucleus. What is the ideal pH for human blood? Human blood is slightly basic with a normal pH range of 7.35 to 7.45, making 7.4 the ideal average. Maintaining this pH is crucial for enzymatic activities and metabolic processes within the body. A. 7.0 is the neutral pH of pure water and is too acidic for human blood. B. 7.35 is the lower limit of the normal blood pH range, not the single ideal average. C. 7.45 is the upper limit of the normal blood pH range, not the single ideal average. What is the term for white blood cells? Leukocytes is the scientific term for white blood cells, which are essential components of the immune system that defend the body against pathogens. They are produced in the bone marrow and are categorized into granulocytes and agranulocytes. What substance in blood gives it its red color? Red blood cells contain a complex protein called hemoglobin, which binds with oxygen and reflects red light. This iron-rich pigment is essential for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Which blood vessel carries blood from the right ventricle to the lungs? The pulmonary artery is the unique blood vessel that carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs for gas exchange. This process is a vital part of pulmonary circulation, ensuring blood is oxygenated before returning to the heart. The aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the rest of the body's tissues. The pulmonary vein returns oxygen-rich blood from the lungs back to the left atrium. The vena cava is responsible for returning deoxygenated blood from the body's systemic circulation to the right atrium. What is the general direction of oxygenated blood flow in systemic circulation after leaving the left ventricle? Systemic circulation begins when the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood into the aorta to be distributed to all the tissues and organs of the body. This pathway is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients required for cellular metabolism throughout the entire system. What is crucial for maintaining blood glucose concentration? The pancreas secretes insulin to lower blood sugar levels and glucagon to raise them, creating a homeostatic feedback loop. This delicate balance ensures that the body has a steady supply of energy while preventing damage from hyperglycemia or hypoglycemia. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.